So what's up YouTube, it's Junior here, and today, I know it's been a long time since I made an unboxing video. It's been like almost 2 months already since I made an unboxing video. I did live stream on YouTube like a couple days ago, like 2 days ago. I played a Fortnite. But yeah, so I'm here with an unboxing video for y'all guys. And today I have something really cool. Today I have this, check this out. It is a wireless charging mouse pad. So not only when you're sitting there playing the games with your mouse and stuff, you can also charge your phone on the mouse pad. So I got the iPhone 10, so you charge your phone, just set it down on the mouse pad, boom, it's charging. Pick it up, boom, you're done. So let's unbox this bad boy and check it out. Okay, so here it is, check it out, right there. Wireless charging mouse pad. Oh, I hit the thing. Here's the back of it. It says right here it's a gaming mouse pad. Wireless charging. There's the stats of it, I'll let y'all read that. So yeah, so let's unbox this. Okay, so here we go, open it up. Easy, simple to open, just pop this open right there and that's it. Oh, and I also forgot to mention, it is a leather mouse pad, so it's a leather, you can probably see on there, it's leather. I'm pretty sure it's not real leather, it's probably like a pleather. So here it is, this is the mouse pad. So here's the charger, not charger, but the power cable, micro USB. So here is the mouse pad, and okay, it is just like this leather mouse pad. Oh, and I'm guessing right here is where you put the phone at to charge. Okay, so I happen to have a power bank with me, so let's plug this up and let's test it out. Okay, so here we go. Plug it up. Oh, wrong side. Okay, there we go. Okay, let's see where the so here, you can see here real fast. So it says JE make it simple wireless charging mouse pad. That's where you put your phone at. There's where you plug it up. It's kind of thin. It's really thin. So there's the way you plug it in at. So let's plug it up. Here we go, right here. Oh, it made a beep noise. So this is perfect for like this is really perfect for anybody who got who does a lot of work on a computer or anything, and they got a phone they got to charge, wireless chargers. There we go. I'm gonna set my phone down and let's see if it charges. It's charging. Look at that. It even made a beep noise. But my phone's 100% charged, so let's try it again. Let's try it again. It's gonna make a beep noise. See if it make a beep noise. Did it do it? Nothing happened. Oh, there it goes. You gotta put it in the right spot, I guess. Hey, but that's pretty cool. You gotta put it like in the right spot. So you can't sit it down like that, it's not gonna charge. You can't sit it down like that, it's probably not gonna charge. You gotta put it down just right. There you go, see right there, boom, it's charging. Dude, that's pretty cool. I could be over here playing, you know, my gaming on my mouse over here, then my phone's charging. Somebody calls and pick it up, yeah, what's up, man, what's going on? Okay, bye, I gotta go. Boom. Now it's charging. That is really cool. Okay, so that is the wireless charging gamer mouse pad. That is really, really freaking cool. So, yeah, you can just, and boom, the phone's charging. Wait, no, it's not. Wait, you gotta put it in the right spot. You know what I'm saying? With any wireless charger, you gotta put it in the right spot. But there you go, it's charging. That is really cool. This is something that I would definitely recommend this. Now, of course, this will be in the link in the description below if you want to pick it up for yourself. Link down below. Also, I'll link this in there too. This is an Anker portable power bank. The best you can buy. Not a sponsor. Definitely not a sponsor. Would definitely like it if they would be a sponsor, Anker. This is all I use. All I use is the Anker. I'll definitely link this down below. Great portable charger. So yeah, that's it for the video. The wireless, I hope I didn't break that. The wireless gaming mouse pad. Yeah, so like I said, link in the description below. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. If y'all did, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you next time. Peace.